Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Okay, now, whatever. Okay. Hi, everyone. So, yeah, like the title says, it's a breakup, whatever ex-girlfriend, crazy ex-girlfriend, Polaroid, hidden face, whatever makeup. Um, as you can see, I succeeded. Like, I'm gonna start this video with this, but if I'm gonna start doing this, I had absolutely no idea what was coming for me. I didn't know if I was gonna succeed. I didn't know well, if I was even gonna post this video because I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. I just did something and I nailed it. So there we go. Right. If you want to see how I did this makeup, maybe you want to recreate it. Maybe you want to recreate it because you just got dumped and you want to cut pictures of your ex-boyfriend. Who knows? Anyway, enjoy the video. I hope you had fun. Have fun looking at this. Let's get started. Hi. I have no idea what I'm about to do. Cry. So at this point, you haven't seen my preview. No, you have seen the preview of me doing the whole makeup look. So, well, I'm hoping that obviously if I post this video, it worked out the way I wanted it to work out. But at this point, I have absolutely no idea what I'm supposed to do. This is gonna be a journey and you're gonna join me. Great. You've seen it. So what you need is some Polaroids that are cut in two. So these are all Polaroids of me and my ex-boyfriend where I look at, I can't rip them. Do I need to get fucking scissors? So I'm just gonna cut these pictures because I look absolutely disgusting on them and they're pictures with my ex-boyfriend, so I don't need that anymore. I might keep the pictures that I look cute on. The other ones are gonna disappear. I don't know how many I'm gonna need. 1, 2, 3, maybe here. So that's 2 is enough. Don't just throw away your old Polaroids because that's just an absolute waste of that €1 or $1 or whatever it costs in your country. Reuse them by doing this makeup look. So I'm just using like toilet paper and it's double layered, so I'm gonna, or for double or whatever. I have absolutely no idea what I'm supposed to do. Done attempt 1, that failed. So we're going to continue to attempt 1 and I don't know what that is yet. Attempt 2, we're going to take the Polaroid and glue it straight to the face. Don't know if that's going to work out, but let's try, and if this doesn't work I'm going to give up and you're never going to see this video. All right. Okay, so apparently my camera stopped filming and I don't feel like I can talk because otherwise it'll fall off. Yeah. Okay. Time for some concealer. I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution palette, Reloaded Neutrals 2. It's like, as you can see, yes. As you can see, it's all like red colors. So I'm going in for the brown. So the brown and the red. and mix that one up a bit. Then I'm going to take my Heatherloo Cosmetics, the Universal palette, and I'm also going to take like the reddish shades and the purple, mix them up a bit, and to create that kind of blood look or whatever. Okay, it's time for the fake blood. Yee. Yeet. A brush. I need a brush for just the blood. I mean, do I look like I got hit by a fucking Polaroid or do I not? I feel like I do. It's a masterpiece, I can't believe it. I'm gonna use a very dark lipstick that I just bought on. Why is there blood dripping down? Why? Where is it dripping? Please don't. Oh yeah, the lipstick I'm using is from Essence and it's called Ultra Last Instant Color 05. We are done. We're done. I mean, if this isn't the fucking Halloween look whilst you broke up with someone, I don't know what is. Call me crazy, but I did this. I mean, I don't want to brag or anything, but I didn't think I was able to do this. Don't cut photos you're gonna regret cutting. Anyway, this was today's look. The breakup, ex-girlfriend crazy, whatever, ex-girlfriend look, you know. Yeah, that was it. Wow, okay, it's over now. So thanks for watching. Definitely don't forget to check out my Instagram as there's a lot of like makeup looks coming, especially this kind. Like there is already, but there's gonna come more, as you see. So don't forget to hit that follow button on Instagram, the _. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because this is like the first one of many. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!